Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to set up automated email marketing on Shopify. Automated email marketing is important because it helps you to engage with the customers without doing it manually and save your time. You can send welcome emails, reminders, follow-ups after purchase, and many more. This helps you make more sales, keep customers coming back, and save your time while doing your business. So let's start.
So to create automated marketing campaigns, you would need to have this marketing application installed in the Shopify platform. There are different platforms, but I use Flow because it's quite easy to navigate and also has some free versions and templates. It's very easy to find. If you don't have already installed Flow, you would just search it in the search bar and Shopify will suggest it. You would click on it and then click on the install application button and it would be installed. And when you have already installed this application, it has a lot of flows that you can create and more than 100 already existing templates which you can use, and it's absolutely best for the beginners that do not know how to work with the flows. But if you do know, then you would just click on the create workflow and then build the logic that you want to use. But if you are not that advanced yet, you would just click browse templates and choose the template you want to use for the automation. So as you can see, here is the huge list of the templates, and you can filter them according to the categories or the apps. For example, for the promotion, you have different templates that you can use, and so whatever you'd like, you would just click on it and go into the details. So I would show the ones that I already created. For example, I have this abandoned checkout flow. As you can see, the logic is already built. It was already pre-built. I just modified a little details, but you can leave it as it is. If you want to modify it, you just need to click the edit workflow button, and then you would have the possibility to change for example, when you want it to start, what to check, what steps to follow, and in the end, you would have the final step, which is the email sending part. So when you click on this, you have this window open, and then you need to click on the edit email to make sure that the template that is provided is customized according to your shop. So what you need to do, you have here the subject that you want to perhaps change. Then you have the preview text. This is a small text that comes with the email. So when you are not opening the email, you still see this small text. This could be maximum 200 characters. And then when you have the domain and your email address, you can put your email address into the sender category. So when you have modified all that, then you go down, and obviously here you have the text of the email itself. So here you can put your store name or the logo. You would choose from these two options. You can choose the typography, what kind of font you want to use, what would be the size, what would be the color, where you want it to be aligned, what is the background. And so it's according to your design, you can build your template. You would also modify the text as you want. Here would be displayed the items the customer already put in the cart and then abandoned checkout. So this is the variable part where it changes according to what the customer has in the cart. You just choose how you want to see, and then you can click here and indicate, for example, the store link, or you can add another section by clicking add section. So you have different options here which you can use. So when you choose from these sections, then you can also modify it according to what you like. And then in the end, you would have the information regarding your store. So by clicking these tabs, you would have included all the information that you want. And then in the end, of course, the unsubscribe button is there by default, and all emails have unsubscribe button. So when you are done with the template modification and you like the template, then I would suggest you to send the test email to your email and make sure that everything you configured works fine and you have not missed anything. So when you receive this test email and it looks good, you would just click done, and save the workflow, and then it would work until you turn it off. So that's it. It's very easy to use these templates and to modify it according to your needs. There is a possibility also to customize workflows, but it's a bit harder because you need to come up with the logic. But the procedure is the same. You build the flow and then you choose the actions, and in the end you have the email template that you are using. And so when you are doing these customized workflows, you would have this kind of blocks and you would have to come up with the logic and build them. So as you can see, when you build one logic, there is a scenario that you need to follow. For example, if customer did something like this, then this should happen. If not, then there could be another scenario and another block for that. So if you are not familiar with such kind of workflows and you are the beginner, the templates are fine and you can use them for the beginning, and then when you are a bit familiar with the platform, you can modify however you wish. So this is it. Hope it was helpful. If you have questions, please comment and I would gladly help you. See you later. Bye bye.